Today we'll talk about how can you hide Instagram badge on your Threads app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click on this sign down here, and you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on edit profile, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you can here to show Instagram badge, just clicking this sign or this color here. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here show Instagram badge disable with us now. Then you go above down, click on it, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.